Amazing Vicky here with you, and I'm so excited to share with you guys my next class. This time it's an index class. It was requested and I decided to oblige and to make something that you guys would enjoy, I think. This time around, instead of having 20, there's only going to be 10. So once those 10 are gone, those 10 kits, that's it, that's all, there's no more. By the way, if you missed purchasing the zine class, I think there's still 6 left. So you better take the opportunity if you were wanting it, because that too, once it's finished, it's going to be finished and I'm not going to do it again. Because it takes a long time to prepare those kits. I've been working on this like, it's been in my mind for a month, and I've been working on it honestly for quite a long time now, at least a week and a half, if it's not 2 weeks of working on it, like for sure, trying to get everything done. So I've made some notes of what's included. There's a lot that's included in this kit. So you're going to be getting an envelope, one of those big envelopes, and I made sure that it was going to fit in regular size mail, and I'm trying to keep it as cheap as possible to ship, so it's very light. You will see that there's a lot of stuff, and I've packaged it so that it can all fit together. So you're getting some crayons, you're getting all kinds of paper clips, you're getting all kinds of goodies inside this envelope. You're getting some blue envelopes, index card, some different ephemera pieces. You're also getting some magazine pages. You're getting also this here, which is going to be pretty awesome. This is a page to make some characters to use in the decoration, as well as some sentences. You're not going to use the sentences. They can be used for whatever you want in your own journals. There's only one that we're going to actually use in the class, but the rest you're going to all be able to use, and I'm going to send you, I printed them out because I wasn't sure everybody had a printer, but I also am sending the PDF with the class link, so you guys get this and you can reprint it as many times as you want. You're also getting a music sheet as well as some map paper. So what does this class entail? Let's check it out. And I'm gonna go fast because obviously I don't want to share everything, and I want you guys to have the surprise of making it. But basically you're making a little booklet like this, and we're going to be embellishing it afterwards with some of the ephemera pieces. So there's all kinds of different things inside here, and like I said, I'm not going to go through everything because I want it to become a little bit of a surprise. But my goal for this class was to have it super interactive, so that, you know, like it's tactile, you've got stuff that moves, and it's just fun techniques and things that you can use in other journals and things like that. And I'm being my honest, goofy self and making mistakes in making it. And I kept it so you guys see, and hopefully you don't make the same mistakes I do. But I think they're super fun to make, and I'm hoping that you guys will enjoy this process and will enjoy the class. So if you're interested, go and check it out. The link will be down in the description box below, the link to the Etsy store with this product. And like I said, once it's gone, that's it, that's all. There's no more, folks. Okay? So love you guys. See you soon. Bye.